not the toe, but front side, so you just kick it down and just cut it. You are just cutting it at the chip like that. Sorry, it's not too much. Okay, so you are now kicking foot at the side, cut the ball just like that, and then you should throw power. Just get the feel, just get don't use too much power. Just chip it and cut it down. Okay, let's start. Come on. Good. You need to get the chip going. You need to make sure you are crossing the guy in the middle. Right up to the chip. Cut it down, cut it down. You need to cut it as if you are cutting the ball from the grass and the thing. Good. And a little higher. More higher, more cutting. See, this kind of practices, this you got to do it every day. It's more than technique and thing. If you do it every day, it's gonna come in. So we might give you the basic technique, but you've got to do that. More you repeat, perfect you get. There's more of doing it every day. So when you come doing something training to hundreds of people like that, keep it up under it. Good. Start. That's good. And at the same time, you can start controlling the ball as well. You are this. Good. Well done. Cut the ball. Good ball is this. Cut it down. You've got to still cut the thing down. That's it. Good. It comes slowly. You keep the ball, you need to cut it. Don't put it too much power. Just cut it down and then. So come in.